up guys, I'm going to show you how to make a face shield out of sponge, laminated paper, a pair of scissors, rubber bands and a stapler. Before you start, make sure you wear gloves and a face mask and have the whole area disinfected. I'm not wearing a face mask right now because if I do you can hear shit. We're currently stuck in Thailand, in quarantine, and I don't have anything better to do, so I'm doing this. Let's go!
Alright, so start off by cutting your sponge in half vertically. Once you're done, take the two pieces and place them on the laminated paper on the long side. Then use your stapler to attach the pieces. You can use two staples for each part. Now take your rubber band and tie a knot in both ends. Once you're done, you can staple them to your laminated paper next to the sponge. The knot should prevent the elastic band from sliding off if you apply pressure on it. Repeat this step on the other side, and that's it, you're basically done.
Something like this, comfortable as hell. Now you can stay for another couple of weeks in Thailand. Make sure you disinfect it after you use it. Stay safe. I'm not wearing pants.